Burntisland shows is in full swing now, and all the traders have arrived, all the showmen have arrived, all the spaces have been filled up, and there's a couple of new rides here, a couple of new exciting rides that have arrived for this year. So the first one I'm going to show you is Air Raid. Here you can see all the spaces have filled up and it's basically ready for Games Day now. Burntisland Highland Games are on the 15th of July 2024, and you may not know this, but they go all the way back to 1652, and they're actually the second oldest Highland Games in the world. Oof, that made me sound like Jeremy Clarkson. So this is the first of two new rides that are here for this year. This one's Air Raid.
The trap's still running on Christmas Day.
So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.